Good afternoon, this is Brent with the Blind Depot. I'm out here in Allen, Texas today, or as we like to call it, Little Caesar's Palace. These guys have an awesome little pool area. At night, it's just fantastic. Different color lights. Those iron things are actually torches, so you got fire. It's great. But this west sun is killer. You can see how it's just getting beat down on these shades. So we installed some universal motion screens here. And we're going to go ahead and raise up these middle ones here. These are Suntex 90 material, so it's blocking 90% of that solar energy, which is fantastic. It really helps them on the inside because you can see as these shades raise. The porch is pretty deep, but they've got some glass doors right there on the inside, and that sun can get pretty unbearable, especially late in the evenings this time of year. That's pretty well directly west. So we use Somfy motors on these. Very, very simple application. You can use it with a remote control. So we've actually got these things on a 16-channel Somfy remote control. That allows us to have operation of individual shades and different groups of shades. So we have insect screens on the sides here. I want to show you what these things look like. One thing we did on these, and I'll have to show you, is we did two-tone. So on the soffits and the eaves are actually gray, and all the brick is white. So we actually two-toned these shades. So the hardware systems have white tracks and bottom bars, and they have the gray cassettes up at the top. I'm going to show you how much solar energy these things block. As you can see, our sun there's pretty bright this time of day. We're going to go ahead and drop these things back down. Kind of 90% solar block. It doesn't make it too dark underneath, but it definitely blocks a lot of that solar energy. If you'd like us to do this for your home, we are available. You can give us a call. Our number is 972-644-9411. You can also reach us on our website. It's blinddepotdfw.com. And if you don't know what the DFW is for, then you are out of our service area. I do have to tell you, unfortunately, we've received calls from these videos. We appreciate that. We cannot ship these out of state. So if you are in New York, and I don't know if you've got a couple of customers in New York, potential customers in New York, we cannot ship these to have you install them yourself. It's a little bit too intricate, and the manufacturer just does not allow it. So if you're here in Dallas area, we'd love to help you out with these. Again, give us a call, hit us up on the website. Thank you very much. I'm going to hit some shade. Y'all have a great afternoon.